Go ahead and put her in drive, and then let her go. Hold on. Hit the brakes just slightly. Yeah, right there. A la modis. Yup. That's it. Go ahead and put it in park. Bad wheel bearing. It's making a weird sound. And we got it lifted up. This is a 2013 Honda Accord. This is the answer to all your prayers. All you people that have been having that weird, it's like a grinding noise, like metal to metal. It sounds like metal to metal. It's not the tires. It's not the rims. These tires are here. I don't know what kind they are. I don't know. But this is what kind of tires they are. But anyways, lifted it all up. When we lifted both sides up, put it in drive, and then one rim and tire was spinning faster than the other. So that's what it is. That's the answer to all your guys' prayers. It's a bad wheel bearing. So you guys are welcome. If you guys want to glorify God or praise Jesus Christ, go ahead and do it in the comments below. So yeah, it's gonna be a wheel bearing on the passenger side front. So it's gonna be about $100 probably. We'll see. We might be coming out with the next video replacing it.